Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This is your maths lecture and we are doing exercise number 2.3. This is unit number 2. The name of the unit is Theory of Quadratic Equations. This is our lecture number 20. Exercise number 2.3, question number 3, part 1. Find the value of k if sum of the squares of the root of the equation is 4kx square plus 3kx minus 8 is equal to 0. Sum of the squares of the root of the equation is 2. Let alpha and beta are the roots of the given equation. And if we compare this equation with standard form of quadratic equation, we will consider that a is equal to 4k, b is equal to 3k and c is equal to minus 8. As we know that the sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta, is equal to minus b over a. We know very well that sum of the roots is equal to minus b over a, that is minus 3k over 4k, which will be equal to minus 3 over 4. Product of the roots is equal to alpha beta, that is c over a, is equal to minus 8 over 4k, which will be simplified into minus 2 over k. According to the given condition in the question, sum of the squares of the root, that is alpha square plus beta square, is equal to 2. It is given in the question. This condition is given in the question. We know that we don't have the value of alpha square plus beta square. We just have the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So we will add 2 alpha beta and subtract 2 alpha beta to make it a perfect square. We can write alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta is equal to 2. Now by putting the values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta in this equation, we will get alpha plus beta was equal to minus 3 over 4 minus 3 over 4 whole square minus 2, and alpha beta was equal to minus 2 over k. It will become 9 over 16 plus 4 over k is equal to 2. 4 over k is equal to 2 minus 9 over 16, and 4 over k is equal to 32 minus 9 over 16. We have taken the LCM of 2 is equal to 2 over 1 and 9 over 16. 16 and 1 LCM is 16. We will get this. So 4 over k is equal to 23 over 16. 23k by cross multiplication, 23k is equal to 64 and k is equal to 64 over 23. This is your required value of k, which you have to find out. Now the next question is question number 4, part 1. The question is find p if the roots of the equation x square minus x plus p square is equal to 0 differ by unity. Differ by unity means they have the difference equal to 1. Unity means 1. So let alpha and beta are the roots of the given equation. Here if we compare this equation with standard form, we will get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to p square. We know that sum alpha plus beta is equal to minus b over a. Here we will have equal to 1. And product p alpha beta is equal to c over a, which will be equal to p square by taking these values. According to the given condition, the difference between the two roots is equal to 1. This is our equation number 3. We have equation number 1 and 3. Equation number 1 was alpha plus beta is equal to 1. We will add equation number 1 and 3, and after adding we will get 2 alpha is equal to 2. These 2 beta and minus beta will be cancelled. So alpha is equal to 1. Now put alpha is equal to 1 in equation number 1. What was equation number 1? Alpha plus beta is equal to 1. This is our equation number 1. We will put the value of alpha. 1 plus beta is equal to 1. Beta is equal to 1 minus 1 and beta is equal to 0. Now we have alpha is equal to 1 and beta is equal to 0. We will put these two values in equation number 2. Equation number 2 is alpha beta is equal to p square. We will put the values of alpha is equal to 1 and beta is equal to 0. We will get p square is equal to 0 and p is also equal to 0. This is your required answer. Thank you very much, students.